Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to buy something on your PS4 and your debit card just won't work, don't worry, you are not alone. Let's break it down why this happens to and how to fix it in 2025. First, if you're seeing an error like your card could not be updated, that's usually because your payment info has been changed too many times in short period. When that happens, Sony blocks your account from the updating payment methods for 24 hours. Every time you try again during the block, the 24-hour restarts. So give it a full day before trying again or use a wallet top-up code in the meantime. Next, let's talk about common card issues. Number one, is your card allowed for online purchases? Some people forget they have disabled online payments with their bank. Log into your banking app and make sure online payments are enabled. Two, sometimes it's not you, it's them. Head over to the official PSN status page and make sure everything shows great before trying again. Three, not all cards are accepted. Check PlayStation's list of accepted payment methods to see if your card is supported. 4. Double check your name, address, and number. Make sure everything matches your bank statement exactly. 5. Avoid using characters like asterisks, hyphens, slashes, or apostrophes. Use basic letters only. 6. If your card is registered in a different country, it might not work. Ideally, use a card from the same regions as your PS store. If that's not possible, use wallet top-up code instead. And finally, if nothing works, contact your bank. They can check if the card is active, if there are funds available, or if it's been blocked for any reason. Alright, that's it. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit and like the subscribe for more quick tech fixes. See you in the next one.